Whether you're on the job site or heading off-road for the weekend, PCOR Systems provide the functionality that your 4x4 deserves. Built to last and made right here in Australia. Take your build to the next level. Built with tough, lightweight aluminium, PCOR trays weigh less than most other trays on the market. And because it doesn't add any unnecessary weight to your setup, you won't have to worry about the different loads you're carrying. No matter what's on the back, there's a spot to tie it down, with tie-down points running the entire length of the tray. Moving between different sites and applications, it's always incredibly handy to have access to more storage. Built-in toolboxes are located on either side of the tray. And a 70-litre roller drawer all lock using your vehicle's central locking. When it's time to clean up, turn on the tap and use the 70 litres of onboard water to wash away the dirt. And when the workday is done, remove the drop sides, change out the tools for toys, and hit the open road. For trips away, utilise extra storage areas by optioning on a PCOR half canopy. You can alter the setup based on whatever the job or the weekend has in store. The canopy is mounted with a simple bolt-on attachment, so you can easily remove it when you need to. And if your vehicle's second home is a four-wheel drive track, you'll still be able to load up the back without weighing your four-wheel drive down, thanks to its durable, lightweight construction. PCOR half canopies also come in a dog box configuration. Inside the half canopy, you'll find a ton of space. With over 1,000 litres of storage, you'll have enough room for all those camping essentials or anything else you might need. Integrated into the half canopy storage, you'll find a 92-litre drawer, perfect for any gear you need quick and easy access to. When it comes time to add a fridge or charging gear, consider optioning on the half canopy lighting and electronics suite, which includes a 1000 watt inverter powered by a 150 amp hour battery. A Red Arc battery management system then provides you with absolute control over your accessories, while giving you complete visibility of your power input and draw. To take it to the next level, change out the gel battery for a lithium for longer life, fast charging and less weight. For even more functionality, option on the half canopy drop slide that conveniently slides out at the optimal height to reveal a 55-litre fridge. For serious tourers with a need for more storage and power, go bigger with a PCOR 3/4 canopy system. The 3/4 canopy features an upright 80-litre fridge, and with over 1,100 litres of additional storage, keeping your gear organised is incredibly simple. Unloading from the roof of your vehicle is never easy, especially with a lift. Add the optional fold-down ladder to your 3/4 canopy for direct access, making it easier to get that gear you've stored up top. PCOR 3/4 canopies are equipped with a complete electronic suite as standard, with a 1500 watt inverter and a 150 amp battery. It's easy to control the electronics yourself using the intuitive Red Arc battery management system. With your power input and drawer on display, you'll always be in control. To transform your touring vehicle into a complete campsite, option on the PCOR kitchen, which slides out from the 3/4 canopy to reveal a collapsible silicone sink, a twin burner stove and grill, plus plenty of pantry space. PCOR systems are designed to complement your touring vehicle's capability and aesthetic. The bends and folds are designed to flow perfectly into the cab, giving your four-wheel drive a refined look. And the tray system itself has been specifically designed to maintain your vehicle's departure angle. All PCOR systems are constructed with hard-wearing powder-coated aluminium, which is incredibly light, so your vehicle won't be bogged down by unnecessary weight. Take your 4x4 to the next level. Head to PCOR4x4.com.au to find out more about the PCOR range.